Well, hello there, YouTube. This is something I haven't done in a while. Oops, still in reverse. It's always been so hot. If I ride at night once it drops below 90. But today, it didn't even hit 90. So I'm going to go for a ride. I checked my tire pressure. I got 26 in the back and 22.5 in the fronts because they're different tires, so that thing rides better with air in the front. It doesn't even on a road that's like it used. Those old tires, those what are the Can tires? Those old tires just sort of shoot me all over the place, but these new tires don't. The new front tires don't. I don't think it's going to rain. I'll go get us something for dinner too. I don't know where. Ah, it feels good out. It's got a breeze. I was going to talk about drones. I have a DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus, and I haven't even charged them in a long time. So the controller won't even charge. So I ordered a new controller from China. That's where they come from anyway. So it should be here this week. And I also, I don't know if I probably haven't talked about it much. I have a GoPro Karma that flew for about a year, then it died. I mean, then it just wouldn't do anything. It wouldn't pair, wouldn't do anything. So GoPro deactivated thousands of Karma drones. They just deactivated them. So nobody was flying, ever. And people were really ticked off, but it's been so long now that I'll never buy another GoPro product because of that. So I found a couple people that repaired them. And I emailed the guy in Texas, never did respond. So I emailed another guy, he never responded. So I emailed the guy that worked, repairs all kinds of stuff. You know, big screen TVs, circuit boards, and he repairs a lot of the drones. And all it is you got to reload. They take it apart and they put a jumper on it somehow, a little thing, and they got software and they reload the software onto the drone, and then everything's supposed to work. So I'm sure GoPro deactivated all of them. There's thousands of them that don't even fly anymore. I've had mine for years and it hasn't flown in 6 years. It just didn't work. I was going to throw it away. I was going to toss it because it's just, you know, they just deactivated all of them. So now people got a fix for it, and he's fixing them, and they're flying again. So I haven't flown it in years, but the drone's still fine. You just got to upload the firmware on it or software on it. So I'll get that back. It cost me $100 to ship it because it's so big. But I'll get that back. He should get it on the 28th, so I'll get it back not too long after that. So then I'll have, I got the DJI Mini, and it works, but I used to fly the drones all the time, but I got kind of bored with it, and I haven't done it in a long time. So they sit for years, and then they don't, you know, the controller didn't even take a charge. I even replaced the battery in it. I thought, well, maybe the battery's bad. I bought a battery and replaced it myself, took it apart, and unhooked all the wires, and that didn't do it. So I ordered a new one, and The new ones, if you order a new one, brand new, they're like $750. So I got a good used one that's in it. He said it was guaranteed to work for $172 plus tax, $183. It said it's in Caddo Mills and out for delivery, but it's said that's for 2 days, and I don't have it. So maybe I'll start flying my drones again. It's always so windy up here. I don't really fly them much, but it hasn't been windy at home, so I'll get them out again. The big DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus is a huge, it's a big drone. And I got the goggles, bought the goggles with, but I don't think that thing's charging either. But the goggles are kind of neat because you can fly 2 miles away and you can see where your drone is, and you know, you're looking through the camera. So that's kind of cool. But I don't know if that even holds a charge now. I charged it a little bit. That's what happens when you leave them sit for years and you don't use them. I imagine that's what would happen to your motorcycles if you let them sit for years and didn't use them. Or your Spyders. And, well, I ride both motorcycles though. This one really works good now with the new tires. It's just like so much, it's so stable now. This is the road that's cupped in the center, so it'll be, that's why I could go here. It's proof right there. It doesn't dart all over the place anymore with these different tires. Those tires that come on these stock, they're terrible. And I don't have any Kendas on. I got the Kumo Extra on the back that a lot of other people put on, and I got these other ones up here, and they work really good. Bye.